Good morning, students. In last class, we discussed about the migration current, international migration current. The European countries people migrate in the different part of the world. Now here the topic Asian migration. The Asian countries people also migrate the various part of the world. Here migration from the Asian countries. Migration from the Asian country. Migration from the Asian countries. The origin of the human also considered from the mid Asia country, yeah, mid Asia part. The human species originated in Central Asian region. ठीक है. The origin of the human also considered, yeah, originated human species in Central Asian region. And when the new species come on this Asian part, mid Asian part, then the Asian species also scattered. ठीक है. And they also migrate the another places. The mid Asian parts, the origin of the human here, and these species are migrate in the different part of the world. In the starting here, at the British time and the now present time, the most populated countries of the Asia is China, Japan, India. China, Japan, and India. So here the pressure of the population and lack of resources and lack of job opportunity, they migrate neighboring countries. Clear? The pressure of population, the population of China, India, and Japan migrate in neighboring countries like Myanmar, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Korea, etc. Clear? And the China people are migrate in Korea, Manchuria, Malaysia, USA, and African countries. And the Japan people also migrate in Hawaii Island, USA, Canada, Australia, and Brazil. And Indian population also migrate in the different countries of the world. And for the economic region, religious region, political region, and social and cultural region also. The Buddhist monk, here origin of the Buddhism religion from the India. And the Buddhist monks क्या कर रहे हैं, spread their religion, and they migrate in Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Indonesia for religious purpose. Clear? From here China population migrate in the Korea, Manchuria, Malaysia, USA, and African countries. And Japan people also migrate in Hawaii Island. Hawaii Island is also part of the USA, Canada, Australia, and Brazil. And the India people also migrate in the different part of the world. And the Buddhist monk this is the Britishers time, yeah, Mughal time. The Buddhist monk migrate in Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and Indonesia for the religious purpose and stable, yeah, strong the religion. And the British also transferred the South Africa. Britishers transferred से में there is the slave system. Britishers ने क्या किया, इंडियन पॉपुलेशन है, इंडियन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, द पॉवर्टी, एंड दे परचेज, एक तरह से परचेज करना ही हो गया. उनको क्या करते हैं, जो इंडियन पीपुल हैं, लोग हैं, उनको क्या करते हैं, लेबर को वहां से क्या कर रहे हैं, परचेज कर रहे हैं. और फिर कहाँ भेज रहे हैं वर्क करने के लिए, साउथ अफ्रीका, मॉरिशस, फिजी, एंड त्रिनिदाद. तो ब्रिटिशर्स आल्सो ट्रांसफर्ड या माइग्रेट इंडियन पॉपुलेशन या इंडियन पीपुल, इंडियन लेबर, South Africa, Mauritius, Fiji, and Trinidad. So all these are here the part of the Asian current, yeah, migration from the Asian countries. Now here the second part of the migration, internal migration. First part is international migration, complete here the international migration, and now the topic is internal migration. The migration of population within a country boundary is known as internal migration. हो रहा है, but कहाँ हो रहा है, within a country boundary, that is called within a region, within a country boundary, that is called the internal migration. Internal migration can be classified in two parts, interstate and local migration. Interstate migration and local migration. First of all, what is interstate migration? When the population of a country migrate one state to the another state, one state to the another state. That is called the interstate migration. Then after the partition of the India, the Punjab, Haryana population transferred in Madhya Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, and the Kashmiri Pandit also transferred in Punjab, Delhi, etc. states. Then here, what the population of a country migrate one state to the another state. These are included in the interstate population. Then here the fissure on. Then European migrate in USA. They settle in the eastern part of the USA. Then here the also pressure of the population and lack of resources in eastern part. Then the American population also migrate in the western part within a country. यूएसए जो कंट्री है उसी में क्या हो रहा है, जो ईस्टर्न पार्ट में पॉपुलेशन रिसाइड इन द ईस्टर्न पार्ट, दे माइग्रेट इन द वेस्टर्न पार्ट आल्सो. दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ द इंटरस्टेट माइग्रेशन. इन इंटरस्टेट माइग्रेशन द population migrate one state to the another state. That is called the interstate migration. And now the local migration. So what is here the local migration? Then the population of a region migrate within a boundary of state. जैसे for this state is Rajasthan, the population migrate Jaipur to Jodhpur, Jodhpur to Alwar to Ajmer within a boundary, within one district to another district. This type of migration is known as the local migration. Local migration also we can explain in four current. The population migrate urban to urban, city to city also, urban to urban, city to city. Clear? Then Jaipur to Jodhpur, Jodhpur to Alwar, Alwar to Ajmer, Ajmer to Udaipur. Then city to city, urban to urban, urban region to urban region. Then they also migrate urban region, city to urban region to villages. Urban region to villages. The population also migrate urban, city to villages. Then they complete their job opportunity in the cities. Then they want to peace. Then they migrate towards the villages. Clear? And the population also migrate village to urban. The maximum migration in India, this type of migration, village to urban, for great job opportunity and the higher education and the higher entertainment. Cities attract the village. City attracts the rural population, and the maximum migration in India, village to urban. And last year, village to village, and village to village. This also the type of the local migration. Population also migrate one village to another village. And the maximum migration in India by the females after the marriage. Clear? And the local migration we can explain by the 4 points here: urban to urban, urban to village, village to urban, and village to village. Clear? Here now the topic is complete. The topic is migration types of migration, international migration and the internal migration.